Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Realme C31. And now you need to know one thing: never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable going all the way into the connector, and now we are trying to clear it. So if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then just gently insert the one part of the brush in your charging port and gently try to pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.